Ooh, wow. This should be a lot easier though now with these bigger wheels. Let that regen do a little bit of the work. That's so sick. This is the first Razor I've had with regen. Granted, I only have 2. That's with the regen at like 8 volts, 8 amps, however they measure that. I'm still getting used to these big wheels. I swear that makes everything feel better and safer though. Obviously, everybody wants the Supermotos for the street. And I get it. Ooh, I got a pair too for the exact same reason, but in this case, slightly bigger, I think is better.